Hey, Danny, welcome to the vlog. I'm Dana, vlogged in health and fitness. Well, I'm heading for urology to get the results of my... That's me. Did I need to go through Reg first?
I'm gonna say yes, but I don't think you... Let me check. I don't think you do, because you're just here.
I'm just for, consultation.
Yeah, I don't think you do, but I could be wrong.
Okay.
Let me check.
They'll be calling down here the same way. Hey, sweetie, go straight down here.
Dana,
There you go.
you can come with me into room one.
Okay.
He said you don't need to do it, so you're good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Robin. We will get shortly.
Yes, you will. Here we are. Hopefully, I don't know. The bone scan is to see if it's moved into my bones, and that was the it was a nuclear scanner, I guess, and then the ultrasound or CAT scan, excuse me, for tissue. Knock knock, there she is.
How are you?
Long time no see.
I know, right? How's things going?
Well, we'll
Okay.
see, won't we?
I thought you were bringing your better half with you today.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know. Still, I guess everything's isolated. I guess. So.
Sometimes they let people know. They call us and we'd say, "Oh, absolutely."
Okay. Yeah, she's she takes care of the daughters, or should I say, we take care of the grandkids while the daughter's at work.
I gotcha.
So she's taking them home.
So you only have the kids in the morning?
It depends. She works at Surefine, so her hours change.
Where's their Surefire around here?
No, Willie.
Oh.
Yeah, William's got Surefine. 2 days out of the week, she watches them from 1 to 9, and then the other 3 days, well, 4 days. Sometimes she picks them up 6 in the morning. Sometimes she picks them up at 7.
So she has to go pick them up?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I get the daughter her freaking driver's license, but she just no motivation there.
She's never had a driver's license?
Learner's permit, over and over and over. She can't see the.
How old is she?
38.
How old are you?
That's what I said.
Any pain, Dana?
No. Nope, none.
Are you allergic to anything?
Nope.
I'm just gonna say there's no changes since you were here.
Yeah,
last,
no
right?
changes. No changes.
Okay. You're not having any issues urinating, right?
Nope. Since I've been on that free flow or max flow.
Flow max?
Flow max. There you go. We'll get it right.
Free flow, max flow.
As long as I'm flowing. As long as I'm flowing.
That's alright. How many times are you getting up at night now?
Maybe once.
That's good.
Yeah.
Do you
Especially-
start when you pee?
Nope. No, continuous flow.
That's good. Is it weak?
Nope. It's actually pretty steady.
Ugh,
I can-
say you'd be lighted.
I can live with that. That's good. Up once a night, and then good flow.
So how did your little procedure go?
Other than all confusion of not today, no, next week, okay. Next month, okay.
Well, that was only because of the...
Yeah, because the machine went down, yeah. Yeah, everything went smooth. I other than the Gatorade with that crap put in it. That'd be good.
For the ultrasound?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so everything's normal so far. He'll be in a few minutes to give me a rundown on again the bone scan and the tissue scan to see if any cancer is spread from results of.
How long ago was it?
That was Thursday. Friday.
Right?
That's me. Okay, awesome. Nope, that needs some spread.
How are you doing otherwise? Doing okay?
Yeah, other than that, I'm doing great. Urination is strong.
Perfect.
I'm only going maybe once a night. During the day, I'll probably go 2 or 3 times because I'm drinking, plenty of fluids and keeping myself hydrated.
Okay.
I'm staying on the max flow.
Flow max.
Flow max, yep. Right on schedule. Alright. I don't know how much of the conversation is recorded. I won't know until I go to edit this. But it hasn't spread, I'm good. It is concentrated in the prostate only. I'm at a level 2. I'm in a low level 2. So I have 2 options. I have radiation treatment, which is going to be 6 weeks every day, or I have the option of having it removed, and that means they got to go in through my sides and through my stomach and to remove it. And I'm going to get those consultations this week. Well, I got one on Thursday, I believe, with the cancer, with the radiologist, and then they'll be setting me up with a consultation with the surgeon. Hopefully, I'm kind of looking at, you got 2 different options. Well, 2 different scenarios here. If you go with the cancer or you go with the radiation, you have long-term in the end, towards the end of your life, complications. And if you go with the surgery, you basically have the immediate complications, because once it's removed, you don't have any. There's no more issues other than just the recovery, which there can be a few complications to begin with because of the surgery. The radiation, of course, has long-term or in the end complications because of the radiation destroying cells and stuff like that of other organs, bladder, liver, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to think about this, but I think I'm gonna go with the. I think I want to go with the removal. Stay away from the radiation. We'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs on the health and fitness.